Alright, so I stumbled across something very interesting. How to set up storage spaces and tiered storage, aka create a SSHD without using StoreMe. There's no option to create in drive space, Windows spaces, storage spaces. But apparently it can be done in Shell, so right. Alright, let's see. It looks like it's gonna use some crazy PowerShell nonsense, so let's get down to it. Okay, so I managed to execute the first step now. So the first step would be to do this. Get the storage subsystem into a variable, and then you create a new storage pool. Subsystem storage ID, unique ID, friendly name pool. So disk, get physical disk, can pull through. Oh man, my why do I keep hitting the thing? Right, anyway, yeah. So pull physical disk, can pull through, and launch this, right. So it creates a pool. It's primordial, read-only files, 1 terabyte. Alright, so now we'll do the next step. Define the hard disk, the SSD and HDD. Alright, so next we define the drive tier. So we have the first tier, SSD, tier class unknown, then name mirror, fault domain 1, but this size is 0. Yeah, this is weird. HDD mirror 1, size is 0 as well. Okay, this is strange. I think I have to set something. Alright, so next I create the storage pool, I guess. I configure the resiliency settings to columns of default 1. Because I've only one RAID array as the back end and then one SSD as storage. So yeah, actually, according to the instructions here, it can differ depending on your setup. If you have more than one drive, if you have 2 SSD and 2 hard drives, you'll set it to columns default 2, and you'll set name to mirror. But right. So yeah, okay, time to get the virtual drive created. Okay, so we have run into a little problem here. You can see here the storage pool. It configured the SSD fine, but it doesn't know what kind of media the RAID array is. So we're going to have to force it. And this is how we're going to do it according to the system. We'll just have to use the question mark media type EQ unspecified, set physical disk, and to media type HDD. So let's try that. And voila, it worked. So basically what we do is we query the media type, and then we force it as unspecified, then we just force it to HDD. So we requery, and now it sees a HDD and a SDD. That's great, that means it's working. Now we can proceed.